Hey there! Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create promotional content? Ever feel like creating stunning promo videos is just too much work? The endless hours of brainstorming, scripting, designing, and editing can be overwhelming. What if I told you there's a way to make jaw-dropping promo videos in mere minutes? Yes, you heard that right, just minutes. No writing, no designing, and definitely no coding required. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Introducing MarketingBlocks AI, the ultimate tool for effortless content creation. This game changer will revolutionize the way you create content. Imagine having a professional video crafted specifically for your business, without lifting a finger. It's like having a personal video editor at your beck and call. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic. It's cutting-edge technology. Here's how it works. MarketingBlocks AI writes the script for you, searches for relevant media, and combines everything to create a video that's not just professional but also super engaging. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock. All you need to do is sit back and watch the magic happen. Enjoy a cup of coffee while your video is being created. Worried about media options? Don't be. You can choose from over 12 million royalty-free stock images, illustrations, icons, shapes, objects, transparent people, and more. The possibilities are endless. This means you can easily create videos that mesmerize, engage, and most importantly, convert your prospects into high-paying customers. Imagine the impact on your business. But wait, there's more. MarketingBlocks isn't just about videos. It's a comprehensive solution for all your marketing needs. It offers a complete suite of over 20 AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. Over 20 tools to make your marketing efforts seamless and effective. AI Page Builder, AI Graphics, AI Logos, AI Voices, AI Voice Cloning, AI Chat, custom chatbots, and so much more. It's like having an entire marketing team in your pocket. Imagine the possibilities when you can whip up stunning promo videos, craft perfect pages, design captivating graphics, and even create lifelike voiceovers, all in a matter of minutes. You'll be unstoppable. Ready to take your marketing game to the next level? Hit the link below to get access to MarketingBlocks for free. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your business. Imagine the growth and success you can achieve with such a powerful tool at your disposal. All right, marketers, it's time to say goodbye to the old ways of creating content. Embrace the future with MarketingBlocks AI and watch your business soar. The future of marketing is here and it's more exciting than ever. Click the link now and I'll see you on the other side.